Imagine seeing the world through the eyes of your dog. Colors look different, movements are sharper, and the little details we take for granted seem like entirely new experiences. Curious about how your dog actually sees the world? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down 5 surprising facts about your dog's vision that will completely change how you understand your furry friend. But before we get started, subscribe to our YouTube channel because you'll discover mind-blowing facts and jaw-dropping information you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on the amazing content we have in store for you. Number 5. Dogs are not completely colorblind. Most people think dogs only see in black and white, but that's actually a myth. Dogs can see color, but in a limited spectrum. Unlike humans who have 3 types of color receptors, red, blue, and green, dogs only have 2, blue and yellow. This means they see the world in shades of blue, yellow, and gray. So when you're playing fetch with that bright red ball, your dog probably sees it as a dull brownish color. This is why blue and yellow toys stand out more to them. Understanding this can help you choose toys and objects that'll really catch your dog's attention. Number 4. Motion detection is your dog's superpower. Ever notice how your dog can detect even the slightest movement, but might struggle to see something standing still right in front of them? Dogs are experts at detecting motion, especially quick, jerky movements. This is because their retinas contain more rod cells than humans, which are responsible for low light and motion detection. In fact, dogs can pick up movement at a distance much better than we can. It's no wonder they're such excellent hunters and can spot a squirrel darting across the yard in a split second, but that means if you're trying to sneak past them unnoticed, good luck. Number 3. Dogs have superior night vision. Ever wonder why your dog seems perfectly fine in the dark while you're stumbling around looking for a flashlight? Dogs have fantastic night vision. This is due to a special layer in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back through the retina, enhancing their vision in low light conditions. Essentially, it gives them a kind of night vision. So while you might be tripping over furniture during a midnight snack run, your dog is casually navigating the room like a pro. This is an evolutionary advantage from their wild ancestors who needed to hunt at dawn and dusk. Number 2. Dogs have a narrower field of vision. You might think that your dog sees the world exactly as you do, but here's a big difference. Dogs have a narrower field of vision. While humans can see about 180 degrees around them, dogs can typically only see around 250 degrees depending on their breed. Dogs with longer snouts like greyhounds or German shepherds tend to have a wider range of vision, while flat-faced dogs like pugs have a more limited view. But what's really cool is that dogs don't need peripheral vision as much because their sense of smell and hearing help fill in the gaps. Number 1. Dogs rely more on smell and hearing than vision. Here's the most important takeaway. Dogs don't see the world primarily with their eyes like we do. For them, vision is just one of their senses, and it's not even their most important one. Their sense of smell is roughly 40 times stronger than ours, and their hearing is far more sensitive. In fact, dogs can hear frequencies as high as 65,000 Hertz, compared to humans who max out at around 20,000 Hertz. So while their vision may seem a little limited compared to ours, their other senses more than make up for it. That's why they can seem to sense things before they even see them, like when they're waiting at the door before you even pull into the driveway. So the next time you're out on a walk or playing with your pup, remember that they see the world a little differently than we do. They might not catch every color or detail, but with their superpower-like sense of motion and night vision, they're experiencing the world in ways we can only imagine. If you found these insights fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content about our furry companions. And let us know in the comments, what's one thing you've noticed your dog seems to pick up on that you don't? We'd love to hear your stories.